Shane, we're back here at MMCM, of course, and we've got new bars on an existing mower. Shane's going to show us how they fold forward with his new bar design. What do you reckon, Shane?
Thanks, Michael. Yes, this is my 2B My Groomer, one I picked up not long ago. So I decided it was about time I had a groomer. So
Everyone needs a groomer, right?
it's not been converted. It's got patched up rails. It's one of the typical ones out there, but we'll just leave it alone for now.
So your normal starting point then, right?
Normal starting point, yeah. However, what it did have, Michael, was a busted up, banged up set of bars.
Yeah.
So I took a set of my stainless bars and looked at my storage issue, because I have so many of these damn things, and how I could make that a little better. So what I did as an experiment is I welded the plates on the back side of the bar so the handlebars fold forward instead of backwards. Because when they fold backwards, they extend the mower out to here, and it makes the footprint too big, I reckon.
Yeah.
For me, it's more convenient if the mower was taller rather than a larger footprint.
Yeah.
So it was a bit of an experiment, and I thought, well, it doesn't matter. They'll go on my groomer anyway. It doesn't make any difference. So there we have it. Set of stainless bars, brand new set of stainless bars. The only downside of this, Michael, is the fact that you have to remove the handlebar cover completely. So let's do that and demonstrate that.
Sure.
So normally you would just leave the bottom, this top one in, whether it's riveted or bolted.
Yeah.
In this instance, you have to take it off. Then you have to undo this one, which is normal.
Yeah.
With the plates the other way, and then you would remove this bolt. You would remove that bolt, and the bar, you could then leave the plate on there because the bar would fold with the plate.
Yeah.
So in this instance, we remove that in its entirety, and then we simply manage the cables like so, and there we have it.
And voila, it's done.
And then we can put these components back on here if we like, and there you have it. So that is a more compact storage solution for me.
Yeah.
And I'll market them as an option.
So you said in terms of the extra height, we're sticking up a little bit higher than we would have been otherwise if we were folded back here with the originals, but it's pretty neat and tidy.
And you know what's ideal, Michael? You then hang the catcher on the top.
Sure, yeah.
So, yeah, it's just something that I thought people might like.
Yeah.
Because, as a simple fact, I have a storage issue, and this helps overcome that.
Yeah.
But the bars standard will be available in their normal configuration.
Right.
This is an option that people have got to request.
Yep.
And the dollar cost of that is zero.
Right.
So you can have either.
Yep.
The thing with these bars too, Michael, as opposed to my release of my new bars, is I've drilled the throttle control on here, the two holes on the new bars, because I like the throttle control.
You like having it right at the top there instead of down at the engine?
Yep, I like that. So all my new bars that are going out today don't have those two holes drilled.
Yeah.
And the reason for that is, as soon as I drill those two holes, someone will go, oh, but I don't need the throttle.
Yeah.
I use it at the engine. And
a lot of people
enough.
don't use the throttle, do they? These
No.
days?
I'm a bit of a stickler. I like it.
Yeah.
So the bar, all new bars will come with that undrilled. Once again, it's an option. If people want that hole drilled because they haven't got the facilities to do that, it needs to be put in notes when they order a set of bars.
Yeah.
Put in notes, please add throttle mounting holes to bar.
Sure, yeah.
Or however they want to term it.
Yeah.
But they'll come without that hole.
Yeah.
And most people can use a drill and has a drill.
Yeah.
So they can do that.
Yeah.
So there's the bottom folding bar, forward folding bars. And there's the spigot that will be welded onto there, so that there'll be no nut on the top bolt.
Yeah.
So that will go on, and look, you could even make a little thumb screw out of it.
Yeah.
You can have a little nice little brass thumb screw, or it'll have the normal gutter bolt style bolt in there that'll screw in as per normal.
Yep. Beautiful, nice and easy.
Yeah. So
Nice solution for those who want it that way.
Yeah.
And good to have the option as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's an option. People
Yeah.
might not go for it. Basically, there's no cost difference, so it's there. It's available to them if they want.
Yeah, beauty. Thanks, Shane.
Thank you.